Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your Terabox account permanently. First you'll launch up Terabox and then you come here at the top left. You see these three horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on this to access the menu. And then all you need to do, guys, is come here at the bottom and click on settings. And once you click on settings, okay, click on security center. And then you'll see this last option, deleting an account. Go ahead and click on that, okay? And as you can see right here, it will give you all the information and what it will happen when you delete your account. Your files will be permanently deleted from the Terabox server. You can give reasons as well, and then toggle this one on, okay? Say that you understand, you are aware of the risk, and you confirm to cancel, and then just click on delete account. They'll ask you whether you're sure or not, and then just click on OK. Okay, just go ahead and do that, and it's really that easy and simple. It will sign you out of your account, and it's done. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.